Chatting with buddies can be serious sometimes, at my age as well. I'm Vioni and I'm 12. Well, let me explain. The other day, my friend was sitting lonely. Strangely, she happens to be an extremely peppy person and always surrounded by friends. And she was not joyful enough that day. So I happened to ask her, "Hey, are you alright?" To which she responded, "Life is difficult. It looks like nothing is in control. I feel like it is a test that I want to quit." Whoa, hold on. Life is difficult, I want to quit. I wasn't aware of these possibilities. I mean, the meaning which she had developed for life. Life as I see at this age was quite different from what she saw then. Talking further, I understood that she was having a hard time at home due to the frictions between her parents. This is when it struck me that life means different to every individual. I decided then that I want to come up with a formula to help my friend. This is when I took a plunge in the search for fighting obstacles. My first question was, what is life? I don't understand much at this age, but with what I do, I know it is a story. I'm learning that life is a period of time beset with difficulties and achievements of glory. That is, obstacle and aspect. Aspects are the virtues and obstacles are the difficulties. Well, some obstacles to me are like the Great Wall of China, that is, they're still long and stable, while some are like an ant that can be destroyed in seconds. Obstacles come every now and then, but learning how to deal with them is an essential task. Do we fight them with swords and shields, or should we be equipped with talents like taekwondo, karate or boxing? For a while, I was discovering new ways and possibilities to resolve this curiosity. During this time, I realized that what was always important was the process. Bigger the problem, better the solution had to be. One solution never worked even for similar problems. What I finally derived out of this for over a year were 3 simple formulas that worked for me. Firstly, you cannot be completely prepared for obstacles. So, formula number 1, face it. Mathematics gave me the formula number 1. Facing it is like practicing mathematics. The more I solve, the better I become. Sometimes we solve math problems with the same strategy and sometimes new. So, in my opinion, these obstacles are the opportunity to create something new. They can appear anytime. They won't come and tell you, "Hello, I'm an obstacle. We have a date for breakfast tomorrow at 8 at the coffee shop." No, it is going to be direct. And no matter how much you like it or not, you will have to deal with it. So, face it. My formula number 2. Try and be hopeful, positive and super motivated. My formula number 2 comes from the basketball matches. Staying headstrong sounds like too much when you're right in the middle of the field and taking some hard hits from the opponents. But I have learned to believe in myself. We all have it in us, a power that is greater than any obstacle. So I suggest when an obstacle arrives, don't sit and cry or make yourself lonely. Just go with the flow towards your goal and work hard. Make your hit when you feel ready and be dauntless. Lastly, my formula number 3. Make better choices and value. Always remember the lessons. My formula number 3 comes from the moral science classes I take at school. It is good to fight obstacles as they help us to value everything we have achieved. It helped me to gain confidence, experience and knowledge. Obstacles can change a person's life. It can change their future. So, remembering these lessons and valuing each one of them as an important chapter of life for reference was the most important one. Always make better choices. It is a must to keep a good company since a bad company can be the biggest obstacle in your life. Think before you talk and choose better words. My ignorance could only make people resented. What happened with me was because I was very stubborn and mean, and that for me has been the biggest obstacle so far. It helped me to bring out the good in others and to be kind and helpful. It brings positive energy into me to face the it and fight it in minutes. So always remember the 3 formulas. Face the problem, try and be hopeful, always remember the lessons. Thank you.